Here are the most touristed U.S. states. Let's do that move. Okay. So look at this. Look. The darker green states are the most visited state to the 10th most visited U.S. state. Does it look like South Carolina really takes a kick from North Carolina? Anyways, the green state is the 11th most touristed U.S. state to the 20th most touristed state. That's the lighter green. The yellow is 21 to 30 most touristed U.S. state. Kentucky, 31 to 40. And red, less than 10. Less than 40. 41 or less. 41 to 50th place. What states did you think would be different? And which ones? And which group you thought you think it would be in? Anyways, let's get to our sponsor, Scribble Maps. Anyways, let's show something. Our sponsor is literally this app. I would have been able to get you some of my entertainment without this wonderful app. You basically just draw on a map. What USA states do? Yeah, comment on all what I said. What states you thought would be different and what color it would be in this app. Comment it. Anyways, back to Scribble now. Seems like the island is actually 6.3. The country is 6.3 thousand square kilometers. What states did you think would be smaller than this island? Okay, now it's a 6,000 square. It just keeps getting even smaller. It's actually now it's 5.4 thousand. Whoops. This is actually the country is actually only 5.2 thousand square. 5.1 thousand square kilometers. Why is it ferry? No bridge. Looks like its capital is Visby. Now let's. Anyway, actually, this is a cookie mostly. This is gonna be true size of. Oh yeah, you should really check out Scribble Maps. You should use it really. Really. Let's start with the smallest one, Rhode Island. Let's start with random states. First one, Arkansas. Okay, comparable to Greece. Okay. Grace. Actually, I done videos on this. Nah. Cancel that. Actually, it's mostly gonna be done on Google Maps. Making some endurance race tracks. Just for your liking. Well, some race tracks. You started quite right here. And now, let's get going. But let's take this. Yeah, that's about right. That looks quite like in the dark side. We'll wait till this. Go! This! DHA. It's 1.3 hours long. The tire track is actually 1 hour longer. Yikes. 2 hours and 39 minutes. 204 kilometers. Even covers some of the country. Even on a continent. This race is just Lord huge. We should really call this an endurance, right? Let's call this Lake Quebec Speedway. That's our all for today. Bye-bye. No mostly used up here.